Hey guys, I hope you're well. Check this out. Oh man, does that not fill your heart with all kinds of happy? It does mine. As does a delicious wobbly pop. Today, highly recommended from your Uncle Blozo. Pabst Blue Ribbon. The swill of yesteryear. The favorite brew of old peckerheads everywhere, all throughout America. Pabst Blue Ribbon. A wobbly pop for the old farts. Thought I'd have a little fun. Thought I'd have a little fun. Oh, I wish this old phone would focus. I bought a new phone, but I haven't activated it yet. Just in the mood to have a little fun. Having taken a look at the solar flux index and the sunspot numbers for the last couple days, we're on our way, guys. We're on our way. But remember, no gain without pain. As we climb our way back up the solar cycle curve, remember that the goods can become just incredibly good, but the bads can become profoundly bad. Okay? Okay? Okay. That's Blozo's unannounced Propo report. Now follow me. CQ, 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 calling CQ, 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 calling CQ, 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 calling CQ11. This is listening for any call. I didn't expect a response because it's getting to be later in the afternoon, right? You know, I've got to pause you for a second. I hope all are well and are getting ready for one of the best Christmases and New Year's of your life. I'm going to catch up with my comments tonight, being that I'm enjoying a good wobbly pop and a bit of an upspell, and yeah, boy, have things been shaky for me lately, to say the least. We're getting there, man. 73 from me, Chuck, and Wirehead, and Blozo, and Dear Blitzy. Be well.